Twisted
Lingua.
Lesson 13. Summer holiday. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's start. Today's lesson is about summer holiday. We are going to talk about holiday vocabulary and how to say that we are going on holiday. Summer holiday in Polish is letnie wakacje. The word letnie is an adjective. It means summer. However, it comes from the noun lato, summer. The word holiday is wakacje. In Polish, it is a plural word. It doesn't have a singular form. So how to say that we are going on holiday? In Polish, we say jedziemy na wakacje. And as you can see, I am using a different word than I taught you in the last lesson. We know that to go means either iść or chodzić. But to say that we are going on holiday, we use the verb jechać, which actually means travel or going in some kind of a motorway, like drive or ride. The verb jechać belongs to the first conjugation, and if you want to see the ends of all conjugations, please go to our Facebook page. The conjugation of the word jechać looks like this. Ja jadę, ty jedziesz, on, ona, ono jedzie. My jedziemy, wy jedziecie, oni jadą. And please look at the first form jadę and the last form jadą. It looks slightly different to the rest of the forms. You will have to memorize it not to make mistakes. So, what do we need to go on holiday? First of all, we have to buy a ticket. Kupić bilet. The numbers next to verbs will indicate the types of conjugation, and you will see more of them today. We can buy bilet na autobus, a bus ticket, bilet na pociąg, a train ticket, or bilet na samolot, a flight ticket. After that, we will have to pack our bags. In Polish, we say pakować bagaż for imperfective verb or spakować bagaż for perfective word. Both belong to the first conjugation. Bagaż, luggage. We can have walizka, a suitcase, torba, a bag, or plecak, a backpack. And of course, we must not forget our passport. Passport in Polish is paszport, so it's quite easy to remember. For our summer holiday, we often start our journey at an airport. Lotnisko. My ideal holiday is somewhere in a very warm country. Where is a beach? Plaża. And I need a sunbed, leżak, a parasol, parasol, and of course a summer hat, which is kapelusz. And of course I will need some bikini. In Polish you can say bikini or strój kąpielowy. And of course you must pack your sunglasses. Okulary przeciwsłoneczne. So what can you do on ideal holiday? First of all, sunbathe. Opalać się, which belongs to the third conjugation. Pływać, to swim. Surfować, to surf. Or nurkować, to dive. When I'm on holiday, I like to sightsee, zwiedzać. Or if you don't want to be active at all, you can just drink cocktails, pić drinki, or relax and rest, odpoczywać. So whatever your holiday is like, I hope is a great one. learn your vocabulary and enjoy summer. Dziękuję bardzo i do zobaczenia za tydzień. To learn more with Twisted Lingua, follow us on Facebook and on YouTube.